guys, today I'm gonna show you the makeup that I do when I usually traveling, because when we travel the overall makeup has to be long lasting, because once we get out of our hotel in the morning and we come back only at night. This might be useful for those girls who are looking for a long lasting makeup. So let's start. So I already prepped my face. I cleansed it and then I applied my sunscreen and then the moisturizer. So I have like this Lucerne sunscreen, which is like really important when you are like when you are going out the whole day. This moisturizer of La Roche-Posay. So this is also really good and hydrating. So yes, now to begin with, I have my dehydrating face primer. This is from Sephora, so I am just gonna take a little bit of it and start to apply all over my face. When you'll be going out, the primer is the most important step because it helps you to hold your makeup the entire day. It won't let your skin to grease a lot. I'm going ahead with my concealer. So the concealer is from Tarte and it's really good as well. It will conceal all those areas where it creases very quickly. Especially for me, the eye area really creases out very quickly. So I applied a bit over there and also the T area on the top of my forehead, and I will take a bit also to my nose, which is also one of the important area where the creasiness will form very quickly, and also the chin. You can already see even without foundation my face is almost done, but of course I will use the foundation, so I'm using MAC Studio Fix, and this is a maximum coverage foundation and it will just run seamlessly on your skin. When you can just immediately see when you put this product on your skin, so it's really good. I would always suggest to use the long-lasting foundations when you are out all day. Please avoid any BB creams because it will just fade out or grease out all your makeup in just 3 to 4 hours. And also please avoid the thin consistency foundations. So I will go and touch up my eyebrows slightly a bit with the Rival eyebrow gel. So now I'm moving ahead with my eyes, and I just don't want to put a lot of product on my eye today. So I'm just going on with the light, very light plumish color on my eyes, just a light touch, and then I'll just conceal it using one of my bronzer because I just forgot my powdered eyeshadow, so I'll just touch it up with the bronzer. So that is how my plumish eye shadow looks like. Now I'm going ahead with the bronzer on top of it just to conceal, so that it will stay till evening without moving from its place. Still, sometimes it's hard, to make sure your eye is just as fresh as you started in the morning, and that's why it's important that you just apply your even if you're applying your liquid eyeshadow, you just conceal it very properly with any bronzer or with powdered eyeshadow. And before even using the eyeshadow, I already showed you that I used my concealer underneath my eyeshadow, which will help you also to keep your eye looking bright and fresh, and Also, that color that you used on your eye will be long lasting. The next step is to put a bit of kajal. This is not black kajal, this is almost in a color brown, and that will really not show up as bright as the usual black kajal. So that's it, and very little bit, and then we go ahead and apply our blush. So today I have blush plus bronzer together, because usually when I am traveling I don't get a lot of makeup products with me, so it's a combination of both. It's from Kiko Milano. It works really good for me. So blush is also done, very little, and then I will just go and make sure my eyes are wide and open enough so that I look good in my pictures. That's why I'm using a bit of mascara now. So we are coming to the end. I'm using a plump lipstick just to finish my look. So this is the finished look. The last step that I would definitely recommend, don't skip, is your makeup setting spray. This is really important so that it will just not move at least for a while. And I'm sure with all the steps that we followed, we're definitely gonna see a very long lasting result in the makeup. And yeah, let's do this. So this is something that I don't want to tell you, but yet do carry 2 lipsticks with you. One is the lightest one that I'm carrying now just for the day, and from there if I go out in the evenings for some dinner or something, then I'll carry one of my dark lipsticks so that it will just give you a change of a look during the evening time. I just don't want to retouch again, I guess, and because I don't even carry any products with me when I'm traveling, it's too much clutter in my bag, and this is enough for me. Steps that I did right now will definitely make sure that my makeup will last till evening, and you can already see like how flawless it's looking. So makeup is all about experimenting, and I'm not really a great makeup artist, to be true. I adjust my makeup according to my needs time to time, and this is not setting stone that you have to follow all these steps, but whatever feels that is best for your skin, that your skin will definitely like, just go ahead and try, experiment, and you will definitely end up going in a practice where you can always have a flawless makeup like the one that I did. So just keep on going, and don't forget to try till you find your perfect look. So this is how it's finally looking. It's glowing, it has enough blush, it's not also too much, all the tones are very neutral, and yeah. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.